Ever wonder why we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose or throat. When dust, pollen, or even strong smells get into your nasal passages, your brain signals your body to forcefully expel them. That's a sneeze. It's like a powerful reset button for your nose. The air rushes out at up to 100 miles per hour, carrying out the unwanted particles. Sneezing also helps protect your lungs by stopping irritants from going deeper. So next time you sneeze, remember it's your body's superhero move to keep you healthy.